The question is, Dr. Machisala also repeated it to say people have lost their jobs, they are sitting at home, they are blaming themselves or because of the economic environment. So how should they remain positive?
Yeah, dear friends, see, now this situation is something is you can't control it. It's not in your hands. And for that, you should not blame yourself that you're losing your job. The first thing is that blaming yourself is a guilt feeling. Again, guilt feeling can give rise to your upset feeling and depression if your personality makeup is like that. So I want to tell you one thing that Sahil, like you start doing something now today itself, like to keep the way you keep your physique healthy, the way you take care of your body very nicely, start taking care of your mind so that in situation like this, you can overcome this guilt feeling, you can overcome depression very easily, anxiety very easily. What can you do for that? There are some exercises like you can go, okay, I'm telling you everything which you can do apart from the meditation. Go for the yoga therapy, like pranayam, very important. Meditation, yes, I want to tell you one thing, Sahil, that since I tell medicine act 60% and 40% patient has to act himself in depression treatment. It is not completely 100% medicine will take care of your depression. So what is 40% is your own like exercise like yoga therapy and meditation. I keep telling my patient on the day one, like in depression patient, neurotic patient, start meditation as early as possible. Anxiety state, it helps a lot to control your palpitation, to control your deep breathing, that feeling panic state symptoms can be controlled with meditation very easily. So I keep telling them, but they don't follow properly. So what I did, in this lockdown period, I started my own meditation group, WhatsApp group. Within 3 days, I got 250 clients, members full of one group. Now I'm on the other group. Okay, second group I started. We do every day morning. I send them one audio clip and they do meditation in the morning at their own place.
Very nice.
Yeah, and that and when they do they complete the meditation, they share their experience. How was the experience in a whole daytime? And that really you get really charged up. You know why? Because meditation is something like that. It is not a medication, but it's a meditation which helps you to control your thoughts, to control your emotions, controlling your behavior, keeping your confidence optimum. And these things, when you do together, these things in such a situation, they help you to overcome your mental agony, to overcome your upsetness, feeling bored, feeling bad. Okay, this way. And now,
thank you so much.
Yeah, over? Done?
No, please. Your last point, you were making your last point. Please continue.
I read one question, like a patient can go into depression again after treatment. Yes, if the patient after treatment, proper treatment, patient is not following counseling properly, patient is not learning healthy lifestyle, or person is not learning healthy style, healthy things to overcome stress, the chances are bright that he may go into depression again. If there is some primary support problem, like family support problem, that we in counseling we take care of that also. If there is marital conflict, if there is a marital conflict, like marriage conflict, we take care of that also.
Super.
Because if I'm treating the patient with the medication, that my job is not over. I have to take care of everything, like his psychology, his family life, his social life, his friend life, everything.
Right.
You have to take into consideration.
Correct.
And that is
so look, absolutely, Dr. Rao. So you have to take care of not just the patient, but the patient's family, his friends, his entire work life, family life, all of that. So my last question to Dr. Machiswala. Dr. Machiswala, very, very simple question. We keep saying this in our HR groups to say, if HR is there for the employees of the organization, and I'm just going to repeat this one more time. If HR is for the employees of the organization, who is HR for HR? And similarly, asking you that question, sir, for a psychiatrist, who is the psychiatrist for a psychiatrist? You're meeting so many patients every day. It must be troubling your mental health also, creating stress, creating anxiety, creating a lot of issues in your mind. So who is a psychiatrist or a psychiatrist?
Okay, so pehla HR ka HR. Basically, see, HRs always undergo their own training. They always go, I mean, like I've been called in many sessions, where we do half-day session or one-day session, 3-day session, where HR or various high-level employees are trained about self-management, etc., etc. So HR का HR, obviously, HR FI is the HR का HR. आपका जो HR Federation of India is the father. हमारा जैसे है इंडियन साइकेट्रिक सोसाइटी है हमारी. मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, मैं मेरे बॉम्बे साइकेट्रिक सोसाइटी या इंडियन साइकेट्रिक सोसाइटी के पास जाऊंगा. Whether it is any issue, like I'm facing some practice related issue, and if I am going to feel डिप्रेस और मुझे अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा या मेरी फैमिली में किसी को होगा, मेरी बीवी को या किसी को होगा, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल डेफिनेटली कंसल्ट वन ऑफ माय साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड. I could go to my teacher, Professor D.K. Deshmukh. I could consult Dr. Rahul also. Sure. And there are times I could take my own treatment myself also. अभी जैसे किसी को बुखार आता है तो थोड़ा बहुत तो क्रोसिन वोसिन लेके अपने आप को ठीक कर देता है. तो मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर मुझे भी अगर कोई साइकोलॉजिकल डिप्रेशन वगैरह होगा तो डेफिनेटली अगर मुझे लगता है कि आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई कैन ट्रीट माई सेल्फ, आई विल डू दैट. अदरवाइज आई विल मीट वन ऑफ माई सीनियर्स, आई कुड मीट वन ऑफ माई कलीग्स and I could talk to them. And कभी-कभी कोई stress related issue आता है in practice. So I discuss of my students. I've got about some 650 students all over the world. So sometimes they face any problem, so they talk to me. On an average 4 to 5 मेरे students लोग कभी-कभी they talk about their stress related to me. I'm a godfather to many people. मेरे भी godfather और god brothers है. राहुल एक मेरा अच्छा god brother है. कभी-कभी मिलते हैं तो हम लोग बहुत सारी दिल की बात एक दूसरे की करते हैं. मैं मेरा इस तरह करता हूँ और आप लोगों को भी HRFI के जो भी गुरुज हो गए, एक जो टॉप गुरु जो रिटायर हुए होंगे और जो लोग मास्टर्स हो गए, जो लोगों को आप लोग लेक्चर्स के लिए बुलाते होंगे, और इस तरीके के प्रोग्राम्स आप रेगुलर करते रहो, नॉट जस्ट विद वी मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल बट और डिफरेंट.
एब्सोल्युटली.
जब भी ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड में बिलीव में सदगुरु साहब ने किसी ने इनर इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में पूछा था या बताया था, तो सदगुरु साहब ने इतना अच्छा एडवाइस दिया है, हाउ टू सॉल्व योर स्लीप प्रॉब्लम, हाउ टू, अगर कोई सेक्सुअल इशू है तो उसमें भी उन्होंने अच्छी एडवाइस दी है, हाउ टू प्रिवेंट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन. तो यानी सुबह 8:45 से 8:45 में इंडिया टीवी, मैं बिल्कुल योगा कुछ नहीं करता हूँ, मैं खा पी के मस्त रहता हूँ, मगर मैं 8:45 से 8:45 में बाबा रामदेव का प्रोग्राम जरूर देखता हूँ. वो जो जिस तरीके से दिखाते या फिर वो उनकी पतंजलि की प्रोडक्ट्स होती है या कुछ करते, तो कुछ ना मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट मिल जाता है उनसे. तो मैं इस तरीके से मेरा ये करता हूँ. मैं अगर
वंडरफुल. आई थिंक सो द वे द लास्ट, सॉरी डॉक्टर राहुल, आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
Yes. Before you conclude, I want to tell all my listener friends that see, we psychiatrists, we deal with at least minimum 50 patients per day. Okay, so we are dealing with 50 minds and 50 abnormal minds we are dealing with. So we have to be very much normal. So what we do, that is a question mark by many patients to us, many acquaintances to us. So what is this thing is, enjoy your work. What you are doing, you should love your work. You should not get tired by your work. You should get excited by your work. That is the first thing. Second important thing, follow your hobbies. As I told you very initially, follow your hobbies. Talk to your friends when required. Your friend, there is no age bar, no sex bar. Just talk to your friends. Okay? Be in touch with your friends. And follow any activity like exercise, physical exercise, yoga, pranayama. Okay? Now, one more thing I want to tell all my friends over here. Psychiatrists, like they have question in mind when patients go to psychiatrist, that patients has to go psychiatrist throughout his life. That is very wrong concept. There are many illnesses in psychiatry, they vary from each other. Okay, acute to chronic and all those things. So, and one more thing, that psychiatric pills are not sleeping pills at all. Those are the pills to balance your chemicals. So they are not addictive at all. So you don't develop addiction of those pills. So my friends, if you are coming across any patient who is a psychiatric suffering from any mental agony, psychiatric disorder, just don't sit, just don't talk to him. Get a proper professional help, and we are there to help you. Because if somebody had forced, or somebody had anybody, I won't take any name. If somebody is into depression and having getting thoughts that I should end up my life, and friend comes into play. He takes that patient to a psychiatrist, and that patient, thus he is helping that patient to save his life. So depression can be fatal. डिप्रेशन ऐसा नहीं कि चलो हम लोग हवा पानी बदलते हैं, वेकेशन पे जाके आते हैं, मूवी जाके आते हैं, शराब लेते हैं तो डिप्रेशन इट्स नो, नॉट एट ऑल. डोंट ट्रीट डिप्रेशन एज अ it's not disorder of just for the mind. It is just disorder for your body also, because it affects your body.
Absolutely.
Mind affected, body gets affected.
Absolutely.
So it is a biological disorder. It is not only mental disorder. And I am against this word mental. I use always word mind health, not mental health. Okay. So this mental thing keep aside. Mind health is very important.
We are called mental health professional. That is the official term used.
I know, but
I can't help it. Mental health professional word we use.
No, I think.
अभी एक खाली मुझे finally ये लोग को ये बोलना है कि HR है तो HR ही रहो. डॉक्टर माचिस वाला डॉक्टर राहुल मत बनना. अभी कई बार होता है हम दवाई लिख के देते हैं, अरे ये सब दवाई नींद की दवा है, अरे इसका तू एडिक्टेड हो जाएगा, अरे मत कर, ये सब प्लीज, I cannot be HR, you cannot be a psychiatrist.
Perfect. I think on this lovely note, Dr. Machiswala, I think brilliant. Thank you so much. आप 2 मिनट रुकिए सर, 2 मिनट रुकिए. आपका धन्यवाद करना है. I think so, Dr. Rahul and Dr. Machiswala. This is absolutely incredible. We have hundreds of questions that have left unanswered, but given the paucity of time, thank you so much. At a very, very short notice, at 4 o'clock this afternoon, we called both of you, and both of you all immediately agreed. Thank you so much on behalf of HRFI. What I will take as a learning is HR will not do a psychiatrist job. A psychiatrist will not do HR's job, and at the same time,
in my organization,
वो गलत है. You should employ an HR person. Don't do an HR person job. वरना हमारे लोगों को नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी. Please employ HR person. Don't do yourself. Okay. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really appreciate at a short notice you coming and being with all of us. God bless both of you. Take care of yourself. Khush raho, sir. All the best.